Hi there crypto peeps, Daz Smith here from Bath in the UK. Today I want to share with you an amazing new project that the team have been working on very hard on for the last few months. And may I add, this has fantastic results. The project that we will release very soon is called Skinwalker. And yes, it's the infamous Skinwalker Ranch. This location is now famous for its 5 decades long connection to the paranormal, UFOs, cattle mutilations and Navajo legends. But more recently it's become part of popular culture due to the TV channel series Hunt for the Skinwalker. Now the actual target I picked as focus for this project was an incident the TV series captured on film in series 1, and that episode was called Surveillance. In this episode, surveillance footage at Skinwalker Ranch catches an inexplicable image, a UFO overhead, right as bizarre events happen on the ground involving a cow that later died. As you can see, all this was captured on video, and this was our target. This is the feedback. So now we know what they saw, let's have a quick sample of what the crypto viewing team saw.
Here, it's like the energy moves through. Like it's moving intentionally, moving, flowing through this life.
A cockpit view. Man, I don't even want to go with it.
UFO, UAP type thing here. There's I get like an energy. This. There is an energy here.
It's in the sky, and I would need to draw white in clouds, but it's a vast expanse. And there's a cloud here, but inside of it, almost as if I had see through the clouds or X-ray vision, there's this point, a small thing in the distance, probably disc-shaped. Okay, it's this little thing, and when I perceive it, it has a density, a gravity, a power. It's a very strong pull. It's like immense energy focused on a pinpoint precision.